Why did the frog cross the road? To get to the other? Oh wait, don't cross, that frog might be poisonous.
Okay, jokes aside, the world of poisonous animals is seriously fascinating. It's full of creatures with incredible adaptations that'll make you glad you're not their prey. But don't worry, we're not here to scare you. We're here to explore the science behind these toxic wonders in a fun and, dare I say, hilarious way. Get ready to dive into the wild world of poison, venom, and everything in between. We'll be your trusty guides, leading you through this fascinating landscape of nature's deadliest defenses. So buckle up and let's get toxic. Before we meet the stars of our show, let's clear up some confusion. It's important to understand the distinction between poisonous and venomous creatures, as it can help us appreciate the fascinating ways animals have evolved to protect themselves. What's the difference between poisonous and venomous? Great question. These terms are often used interchangeably, but they actually describe two very different defense mechanisms.
Poisonous is like that friend who always brings a questionable dish to the potluck. You have to ingest it to feel the effects. In other words, the toxins must be eaten, touched, or inhaled to cause harm. Think poison dart frogs, touch them, and you're fine. No, I wouldn't recommend it. These frogs have toxins on their skin that can be harmful if ingested. But eat one, and you might be in trouble. The toxins can cause serious health issues if they enter your body through ingestion.
Venomous creatures, on the other hand, are like that friend who always wins at darts. They have a more direct approach to delivering their toxins. They inject their toxins directly into you, usually through bites or stings. This method ensures that the venom enters the bloodstream quickly and efficiently. Think snakes, spiders, and scorpions. Ouch! These creatures have specialized mechanisms, like fangs or stingers, to deliver their venom. So remember, it's all about delivery. Whether it's a passive poison or an active venom, the method of toxin delivery is what sets these creatures apart. But whether it's a passive poison or an active venom, one thing's for sure: these adaptations are seriously cool. They showcase the incredible diversity and ingenuity of the animal kingdom. Let's start with a classic, the poison dart frog. These colorful characters are proof that good things come in small, brightly colored packages that you should never, ever lick.
Found in the rainforests of Central and South America, these frogs pack a powerful poisonous punch, thanks to the toxins they secrete through their skin. And when I say powerful, I mean it. One species, the golden poison frog, has enough poison to kill 10 adult humans.
Now, you might be wondering, why so toxic? Well, these frogs aren't looking to pick a fight. Their poison is a defense mechanism, a way to deter predators from turning them into a snack. And trust me, with colors that scream, warning, danger, back off, predators know to steer clear. From tiny frogs to slithering serpents, let's talk snakes. These legless reptiles often get a bad rap, and their venomous reputations don't exactly help.
But just like our froggy friends, snakes use their venom for defense, and more often than not, to subdue their prey. You see, snakes can't exactly chew their food, so they rely on venom to paralyze or even pre-digest their meals. Talk about efficient eating.
From cobras to vipers to rattlesnakes, the world of venomous snakes is as diverse as it is deadly. But remember, snakes aren't out to get us. They'd much rather avoid confrontation, so give them their space and they'll return the favor. From fangs to stingers, how do animals deliver their toxic surprises? We've talked about what makes an animal poisonous or venomous, but how do they actually deliver their toxic payloads?
Well, it's all about the delivery system. Each species has evolved a unique method to ensure their toxins are effectively used. Snakes, for example, have those iconic fangs, perfectly designed to inject venom deep into their prey. These fangs are not just for show, they are precision tools. Some species, like vipers, even have retractable fangs like switchblades of the serpent world. This allows them to strike quickly and retract their fangs to avoid damage.
Then there are stinging insects like bees and wasps, which are equipped with sharp stingers that deliver a painful dose of venom. These stingers are often barbed, making them difficult to remove once they penetrate the skin. The venom from these insects can cause intense pain and even allergic reactions in some individuals.
And let's not forget jellyfish, those graceful drifters with trailing tentacles armed with stinging cells, known as nematocysts. These cells can release toxins upon contact, paralyzing small prey and deterring predators. Definitely not something you want to bump into on your next swim. The sting of a jellyfish can range from mildly irritating to extremely painful, depending on the species.
Each delivery system is uniquely adapted to the animal's lifestyle and hunting strategies, showcasing the incredible diversity of nature's engineering. Whether it's for hunting or defense, these mechanisms are vital for the survival of these creatures. This makes for a fascinating look at the diversity of nature's engineering, highlighting the intricate and often surprising ways animals have evolved to use toxins to their advantage. Poison's purpose: it's not always about attack. While we often associate poison and venom with defense and hunting, these toxic tools have other uses too.
Some animals, believe it or not, use their venom for, wait for it, childcare. Take the slow loris, for example. This adorable primate with big eyes and even bigger cuteness might seem harmless, but it actually possesses a toxic bite.
But here's the twist. Mothers lick their young with a toxin secreted from their elbows, coating them in a protective layer that deters predators.
So, the next time you hear about a poisonous creature, remember that their toxins might serve a purpose beyond our initial assumptions. Nature is full of surprises. Fun fact: break. Because who doesn't love a good dose of trivia with their toxins? Ready for a rapid-fire round of fun facts? Here we go. Buckle up, because these facts are as wild as the creatures themselves.
Did you know that the box jellyfish is considered the most venomous animal on Earth? Its tentacles can deliver a sting so potent that it can cause heart failure in minutes. Its sting can cause excruciating pain and even death in minutes. Yikes! Imagine swimming in the ocean and encountering one of these silent killers. Some animals are immune to their own poison, like the king cobra, which is fascinating because it means they can hunt and eat other venomous snakes without any harm or without breaking a sweat, or should I say scale. This makes the king cobra a true apex predator in the snake world. The platypus, that quirky mammal with a duck bill and beaver tail, is one of the few venomous mammals. It's like nature's way of saying, expect the unexpected. Males have a spur on their hind legs that can deliver a painful, though rarely fatal, sting. This venom can cause severe pain and swelling, making it a formidable defense mechanism.
See, learning about poisonous creatures can be fun. It's amazing how much there is to discover about the natural world. It's like a trivia night with a side of adrenaline. So next time you're at a trivia night, impress your friends with these wild and venomous facts. Respect the poison, respect the animal. A call for appreciation and conservation. It's easy to fear what we don't understand, and poisonous creatures often fall victim to this fear. But remember, these animals play vital roles in their ecosystems.
Poison dart frogs, for example, help control insect populations, while snakes keep rodent numbers in check.
By appreciating these animals and their remarkable adaptations, we can work towards their conservation.
So the next time you encounter a spider in your bathtub or a snake on a hiking trail, take a moment to appreciate these fascinating creatures from a safe distance, of course.
So, how poisonous is poisonous? A matter of perspective and potency. We've explored the wild world of poisonous creatures, but how do we measure just how poisonous something is? Well, it's all relative.
Scientists use a system called LD50, lethal dose, 50%, to measure toxicity. It tells us how much of a substance is needed to kill 50% of a group of test animals.
But remember, LD50 is just one piece of the puzzle. The actual danger of a poisonous creature depends on various factors, like the amount of poison delivered, the species involved, and individual sensitivities. The end, or is it? Leaving you with a final dose of poisonous ponderings. As we conclude our toxic adventure, I hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for the fascinating and yes, sometimes funny world of poisonous creatures.
From tiny frogs with deadly skin to snakes with venomous fangs, the natural world is full of surprises.
So, the next time you hear the word poisonous, don't shy away. Embrace the wonder, learn something new, and remember to respect the power of nature's toxic wonders.